Hello friends, today I will show you how to insert a Roblox character into Studio. If you are ready, let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and click the play button in the top left. Now click on the small dot next to the workspace to view the assets inside the workspace file. Find the file with your username, right-click it and select Copy. Now close the test section by clicking the pause button in the top left. Now right-click on the workspace folder and select Paste into. As you can see, our character has been added to Roblox Studio. To change the name, first open the workspace file, then open the file with your username and find the humanoid file. Left-click on the humanoid file once and find your username in the panel that opens below. You can double-click on the line that contains your username and change the name as you wish. As you can see, the character we imported into Roblox Studio has changed its name. I hope you found the tutorial video on how to insert a Roblox character into Studio helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.